Very straightforward question. How long can this last? And is it economically sustainable? These are the two main things that a lot of people are very concerned about. And one thing that I always say is we have already noticed that the sustainability of paying 18.4% a month is actually very heavy toll on us itself. We have to work very, very hard to earn 0.7% a day, okay, to actually hit 21% in order for the whole entire engine to move. So we have enough money to pay Amazon, Azure, Cloudflare, and various things, office, people, and all the rest. We have to make 21% a month, and it is 0.7% a day, which is very, very tiring, okay? But the cool thing is, Jarvis don't need to earn all 21%, okay? It's split between 4 parties, okay? We have, like, for example, Snap Innovations, which is based in Singapore, one of our contract capital fund investors based in Singapore. They're doing arbitrage trading, and they can offer us about 6% a month. So you have 21 minus 6, okay? Then we have Big Cross, which is based in the States, okay? That is giving us a very cool 7 to 8%, okay? So you're talking about 13 is that, right? And the last, I cannot share the name because they are very, they screw me up every time I say that name. Offices throughout the world. They are in Hong Kong, Singapore, and in London, very big company, and they are doing 13% for us. Right? So yeah, but we are taking a huge risk because 13% is actually a risk guarantee product. So I know that we're taking a risk to actually do that, but that's the only way we can actually cover the hole that was created by the previous years from cloud. They've been paying out, it's not 18%, they're paying out up to 20-30% at the beginning. It's really crazy. So we actually have to do that in order to cover, which we actually managed to actually cover back the hole. That's why now we're not afraid that there's not enough to pay out. Okay, that's why I say in October it's a celebration event, because finally we did the impossible. So it's kind of to pat ourselves on the back and say that yes, we've done something really great here. So that's one of the things. Yeah. But we are trying to move down from that into a more sustainable, a more risk-free investment. So probably that will drop up to about 6%. So we have 2, 6, and 1, 7. Yeah, that will be good enough for us to actually do the payout. Mm-hmm. That's 19, right?
Okay. Thanks.
And not including ourselves.